Today I wanted to share with you how I made these ornaments for my nieces and nephews. One niece plays the violin, one loves pandas, my nephew loves Looney Tunes, and I think that's called Marshmallow Head, I'm not sure, and one niece loves unicorns. These are very sturdy. They're made of paper. I printed the character on a piece of paper. I glued it to a light cardboard and then to another thicker cardboard. And in between the glitter layers, it doesn't come off. The glitter won't come off because I used a heavy-duty hairspray. I've been making these for quite some time and I wanted to share with you how I made them. Stay tuned. Okay, now let me share with you what I use. This is the image that I took off of the internet, whatever image you desire. I couldn't find a bigger piece of cardboard, but you'll get the gist. So it's a lighter weight cardboard, heavy weight corrugated cardboard, but I didn't use this one. I used 3 different types of brushes, a bigger one and 2 thinner ones for the more intricate places that I need to get into. Scissors, of course, to cut your image out. I use school glue and many different colors of glitter. My secret weapon is this exact hairspray. It is so inexpensive, but it does the job beautifully. It's like it puts a lacquer over these ornaments. So hang tight, I'll be right back. For the purpose of this video, I'm just going to stick with this bigger image. And here we go. Like I said, I use the bigger brush to get into the bigger spaces. And I'm pretty heavy-handed with the glue because if I have larger areas that I need to cover, I don't want the glue that I lay down first to dry out. So I tend to be, like I said, pretty heavy-handed. And for areas such as this area, I use the lighter brush. I don't know why I'm shaking. Maybe because I'm not used to being on video, should I say. Okay, see here I messed up. I went out of the line and I don't want the glue that I'm going to lay down to stick to this part, so I use the butt end of a brush and I just sprinkle it on. And then for the intricate areas such as this, I use the thinner brush. Oh, sorry, you're not in focus or on camera. I use the thinner brush for these really thin lines. And sprinkle. And like I said, during the layers, I let it dry, and then I put this hairspray, and you will come out with this heavy-duty, sturdy ornament that many people will love, I think.